Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 2 from the exercise 10.3 from straight lines chapter. You go to playlist and look for straight lines. In that folder you will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check question number 2. Reduce the following equations into intercept form. We have been given 3 equations which we have to reduce to intercept form. Then we have to write the x and y intercepts. Is this clear? Okay. We have been given equations in the form of ax plus by plus equal to 0. Let us check the very first equation. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So, this is an equation in the form of ax plus by plus equal to 0, right? Yes. To solve this sum, we need to know intercept form of a line. If you remember all the standard forms of line, it is very easy to solve all the sums. So first we are going to check what is intercept form of a line. That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. This is the standard form. So what should our RHS have? It should have the constant and that should be equal to 1. The constant should be equal to 1. And our LHS x and y terms should have x by x intercept. It should not be like 2x, 3x, 10x. It should be x only. X by x intercept. That is, if at all you come across any term like 2x, 3x, you bring that term to the denominator and keep only x in the numerator. Similarly for y, and this is sum, x by x intercept plus y by y intercept. Again, it has to be only y in the numerator, then divided by y intercept is equal to 1. So this is the standard form. So to bring the given equation to this standard form, we have to first move the constant to the RHS, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now we have to make this constant as 1 and this is already 12. So dividing throughout by 12 gives us 3x plus 2y by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. On splitting the terms, we get 3x by 12 plus 2y by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. This 12 by 12 will be equal to 1 and this will be 3 1s are and 3 4s are. This will be 2 1s are and this will be 2 6s are. So the equation will be x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Now compare. Have we brought or have we reduced it to standard form? Yes, we have. The numerator has x and y terms only and this is a sum and RHS is 1 and no other terms in the equations. So that means we have brought it to standard form, which is x by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. On comparing the equation to the standard form, we get a to be 4 and b as 6, which is x intercept is 4 and y intercept is 6. So that's all. It's a very easy to solve sum. Let us check the next one now, which is 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. So in this sum, the constant is already in the RHS. We just have to make it 1. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now we have to divide throughout by 1 because we have to make the constant term as 1. So it is 4x minus 3y by 6 is equal to 6 by 6. And on splitting the terms, it will be 4x by 6 minus 3y by 6 is equal to 6 by 6. This 6 by 6 will be 1 and this is 2 2s are and 2 3s are. And this will be 3 1s are, 3 2s are, right? So our term will be 2x by 3 minus y by 2 is equal to 1. Now, are we done with reducing it to standard form? No, not yet, because we should have x only in the numerator, but we have 2x. So bring this 2 to denominator and look at the term here, minus y by 2. It should be plus y by y intercept. So we have to make this plus and y cannot be negative because it is a positive quantity. So y intercept can be negative. Y is not negative. So y intercept can be negative, right? So rewrite the equation as x by 3 by 2. This 2 has come to denominator of the denominator. That is why denominator of the denominator goes to numerator. That is what has happened. This 2 has gone to numerator. So now we have brought it back. So we wrote it in the form x by x-intercept, which is 3 by 2, plus, yes, we brought it to standard form, y by y-intercept, which is y by minus 2. This is the y-intercept. Y-intercept can be negative. So this is equal to 1. Now on comparing it to standard form, you can very well see that we have brought it to standard form, and we can also write the x and y intercepts. So x-intercept A is equal to 3 by 2 and y-intercept B is equal to minus 2. So let us check the third equation now. 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Is there any term missing here? Yes, we do not have an x term here. So the given equation is 3y plus 2 equal to 0, and we know this is the standard form. We do not have an x term here. We just have to worry about y and the constant term. So we will rewrite this as 3y equal to minus 2. So this cannot be minus 2 here. It has to be 1. What shall we divide the whole equation by? Is it 2 or minus 2? Yes, we have to divide the whole equation by minus 2. To make this as 1, we have to divide by minus 2. So it will be 3y by minus 2 is equal to 1, which is minus 2 by minus 2 will be 1, correct? Yes. So it cannot be 3y in the numerator because we have to have y by y-intercept. So this 3 comes in the denominator, which will be y by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So have we brought it to standard form? Yes. If you want to specify, you can also write 0 into x. Correct? Yes. Otherwise, you can write only this much. Now, on comparing it to standard form, x-intercept is 0. There is no x term, right? X-intercept is 0 and y-intercept is minus 2 by 3. Now, since x-intercept is not there or it is 0, can you just write x by 0 plus y by minus 2 by 3 equal to 1? No, never do such mistake. No term can have 0 in the denominator. If any term has 0 in the denominator, it is not defined. So you cannot write x by 0. Or just because you don't have this term, how did we get a is equal to 0? How did we write that? Yes, let me tell you. Look at the equation. It is 3y is equal to minus 2. Look at this form. Y is equal to minus 2 by 3. If so, what is this line? Just think over. What is this line? It is a line parallel to x-axis. So a line parallel to x-axis cannot have x-intercept. Do you agree? It has to cross the x-axis, but it is already a line parallel to x-axis. It will never cross x-axis. So x-intercept is 0. That is why we chose to write a as 0. Is this clear? And y-intercept is minus 2 by 3. And never write x by 0 because the x-intercept is 0. Never write x by 0 plus y by minus 2 by 3 equal to 1. You shouldn't be writing this. If at all you want to write something like that, it should be just 0 into x term plus y by b equal to 1, something like this. Is this clear now? If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.